Hi, I'm Dan from Firefly Tech, and in this final video we're going to show you how to set up calendar integration on your smart Do Not Disturb sign. Now, before we begin, I just want to say we are going to be using a modern design for this video, but everything we outline in this video will be totally applicable if you have the original version of the sign. So, to get started, you'll want to have checked out our video here on how to link this sign with the eWeLink app, and you're also going to need your account details from the eWeLink account that you made in the last video. So, first things first, you're going to want to go to the Firefly Tech website. You're going to want to go to the top bar, you're going to want to click Contact, and on the drop down menu select Help Docs. Once you land on a page that looks like this, titled Smart Product Instructions, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to the section Connecting with your calendar. Now, you're going to want to press the button that says Set Up Now. Now, this will take you to a pop-up tab, and you're going to input your account details for the eWeLink app. So that's your username and your password. So, I've input my username, which is my email, and my password, which I'm not going to tell you. It's then logged me in. You're going to click Connect Calendar. Now the next page will take you to a list of softwares that this sign can connect to. iCloud, Google, Office 365, Exchange and Outlook 365. Now, you're going to want to click whichever one of these applies to you. Now, for this video I'm going to be using Outlook.com because that's the software that I use. You're going to want to click I agree to the Cronfee terms and conditions, of course after you've read them. You're going to then click Linking Outlook account, and there will be a prompt that makes you sign in. Now, I've already done this before, but once you sign in, you'll receive a notification that a new app has been linked to your Outlook, Google, whatever software you ended up using. And with that, it's as simple as that. This sign is now connected to my Outlook calendar. So whenever a new meeting arises, this sign will know, it will automatically turn on. And that is it. That is the final video on how to set up calendar integration. You're going to make sure, if you haven't seen this video yet, please do check it out now, because otherwise you won't be able to finish setting up calendar integration on your smart Do Not Disturb. But otherwise, that is all from me. Enjoy your smart Do Not Disturb, enjoy blissfully uninterrupted meetings, and have a great day. Thank you.